What we have here is a vintage Lasko Box fan. See, I'm in my grandpa's work area, kind of, or like a garage, kind of. It's kind of like a work area. There's an attic up there. I also found this, too. I'll do a separate video of that, and I'll do a separate video of this. This is definitely an older one. It's very dusty. It's an older Lasko logo. This is definitely an older model. It looks a bit different compared to the Lasko Box fans they make today. It also has the same knob speed thing, how it's set up and everything. It's plugged into this. That's just like a noisy light. I can't turn off the noise, unfortunately, because I have to work this. It's a bunch of trees. It's kind of windy out today. Alright, here's a low. I'm gonna hold on to it because it's good. It would fall, especially if I put it on high. I sound a bit tired because I'm in the wake up phase. It's so dusty. It's more dustier than my Amazon portable fan in my bedroom. More dusty. You can see it. It's blue, not the one I have is white. It doesn't have that feet thing they have on them, like the legs that hold them. It doesn't have it. I'll get it, or probably never put it on, or they never had them. I don't know. Medium. High speed is going to be a bit short. It's how powerful these things are. These are faster than most modern ceiling fans they make today. It's high. Ton of air. Now off. I feel cold now because of that bad boy. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and bye.